Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amir and I am your learning buddy. In the last video, we laid the groundwork by discussing the fundamental concepts of understanding tenses. In this video, we are diving deeper into the heart of the matter. But before that, if you haven't checked the previous video, I strongly recommend to watch that out. Without further ado, let's get straight onto the topic. Let's first try to understand the definition of tense. Tense is a category of grammar in which we relate time with action. So we are actually relating time with action. So this actually shows us the state and timeline of the action. In what timeline, at what point of time the action is being performed. So this is what tense shows us. It shows us the state of the action. It shows us the timeline of the action. In simple words, we can say tense shows us whether the action or an event is happening in present, has happened in past, or will happen in future. This is what is all about the definition of tense. This is how you can understand the definition of tense. Now, the tense on the basis of this timeline, it's of three types. Number one is present. Number two is past. And number three is future. So these are actually the three types of tenses: present, past, and future. Now these three, present, past, and future, can again be divided into four aspects, which are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So first I said there are three types of tenses: present, past, and future, and each of them are divided into four aspects. These are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now first we will try to explore the present one. What is present? Present indicates an action or a state that is currently happening, or habitual, or generally true. So actually present indicates an action or state which is currently happening, which is in progress. If an action is in progress, we say that action is happening in present. Or if you are habitual with something, some kind of action, then that habit of yours can be counted in present. There's a quote and we say, sun rises from the east. This is the universal truth, and this counted in present. Let's try to explore the aspects of present, and we are going to start with the simple one. simple present. What is simple present? Well, simple present indicates us the general truths, the habitual actions, or daily routine. If you brush every day in the morning, that is present simple. I gave an example a while ago that sun rises from the east. That is general truth, and that is present simple. So whatever action you perform on the daily basis, you say that in present simple. If you are habitual with some kind of action in your life, that can be said in present simple. In order to understand the present simple, you need to remember the format of present simple. The format of present simple is subject plus first form of verb. There is a case now. If subject is third person singular, then what you have to do is you have to add s or es to the verb in the sentence. The format of this present simple is subject plus first form of verb, and in case subject is third person singular, you have to add s or es to the verb in sentence. Let me provide you an example. Let's provide the example of this first, and then we will add s or es as well. I play cricket. I play cricket. Since the subject is first person, I do not add s or es to the verb. This is 100% correct sentence. But if the subject is he, then I have to add s to this verb so that my sentence will be correct. I play cricket. He plays cricket. This is important. This s is important in case of he. Now let's give an example of second person. You play cricket. I play cricket. He plays cricket. You play cricket. Simple, no rocket science. Let's now understand the uses of present simple. The first use of present simple is habit. To express habit, you use present simple. Example, John wakes up late in the morning. This is the habit of John, that he wakes up very late in the morning. This is simply habit, how we express habit in present simple. The second one is universal truth. The second one is universal truth. I gave an example a while ago that sun rises from the east, right? Sun rises from the east. This is a universal truth. Death keeps no calendar. This is universal truth. Right? So this is how we express universal truth in present simple. The third use of present simple is scheduled event. Here is the one. Let's suppose there is a train in a station which is supposed to leave at 7 a.m. But we will say the train departs at 7 a.m. The train departs at 7 a.m. This is the third use of present simple. So this was about present simple. I hope you liked the video. You understood the concept as well. In the next video, we will focus on present continuous. Until that, stay hard and keep speaking English.